Peace and blessings. What's going on, brothers and sisters? Your brother Tobiah Tafari, and just give y'all a quick announcement on the TryUnity Ambassadors NFTs. All right, we have 11 of them remaining. Okay, and they're going for $50 each. You could pay in any crypto, Cash App, or Venmo. All right, if you are interested, please contact me ASAP. All right, they will be gone within the next 24 to 48 hours. Ambassadors will be given permission roles inside of the Discord. Each and every ambassador will also be receiving 100,000 WAGA tokens upon launch, and many other perks. All right, so get in contact with me if you are interested in becoming an ambassador. There are only 12 ambassadors. We have already sold one, and as you can see on the screen, there are 11 more available, and they are visible inside of MetaMask. All right, so if you're interested, get in contact with me. All right, and let's try Unity.